Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to design a professional, eye-catching magazine cover using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are creating a digital cover for an online publication or a physical print, this guide will take you through every step to ensure your layout looks like it belongs on a newsstand. If this tutorial helps you level up your graphic design skills, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more creative content. Let us jump straight in. First, we need to set up our canvas. Open Photoshop and click File, then New. For a standard professional look, choose an A4 size, which is 8.27 by 11.69 inches. Set your resolution to 300 dpi to ensure high quality. If you are printing, use CMYK, but if this is strictly for social media or digital platforms, RGB is your best bet. Go to View, then New Guide Layout to create margins, which will help keep your text and elements perfectly aligned. Next, we need your main subject. Go to File, then Place Embedded to bring in your photo. Ideally, you want a high-resolution portrait. If your subject has a busy background, use the Select Subject tool, followed by Select and Mask to clean up the edges. Position your person so they are balanced in the frame, keeping in mind that the top portion needs space for your masthead. Now let us create the masthead, which is the big, bold title of your magazine. Select the Type tool, choose a strong, bold font like Bebas Neue or Helvetica Bold, and place it at the very top. Adjust the tracking and size until it commands attention. Once the masthead is set, it is time for the cover lines. These are the supporting headlines that tease your content. Use 2 to 3 fonts at most to maintain a clean aesthetic. Use larger sizes for exclusive interviews and smaller sizes for subheaders to create a clear visual hierarchy. Next, add those essential professional details. Use the rectangle tool to create colored highlights behind text. Add subtle drop shadows to ensure readability against busy image parts. And don't forget the small details like a barcode in the bottom corner and the issue date near the title. These elements are what make a design look truly authentic. Finally, we need to unify the style. Use adjustment layers like color balance, curves, or gradient maps over your photo. This ensures the colors of the text and the colors of the model flow together perfectly. Once you are happy, click File, then Save As to export as a high-quality PDF for print, or File and Export to save as a JPEG for your social media channels. It's that simple to start designing like a pro. If you found this guide useful, remember to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our next design deep dive. Thanks for watching.